I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking core decisions, niche, licensing, and revenue model so every later choice aligns. Once decided, register a concise domain and buy hosting that includes CDN and object storage for fast image delivery. Next, design a metadata schema, tags, IPT fields, model releases, because search and legal compliance depend on consistent metadata. Make sure to draft simple upload and approval rules now. This first structure saves time when you open submissions and keeps quality predictable. You now implement the core pipeline. Build upload endpoints that validate file types, strip EXIF if needed, create resized derivatives, compress intelligently, and run a quick security scan. Once done, develop search and filtering with relevant scoring and facets so buyers find images quickly. Make sure to add user roles, contributors upload, reviewers approve, buyers purchase, so workflows are clear. Also wire in payments and licensing delivery. Automated receipts, license generation, and secure download links you finish by soft launching to a small group to surface real-world issues before full marketing. Once live, monitor key metrics, upload to approval time, search success, and conversion rate so you know where to optimize. Make sure to automate alerts for failures and to document moderation and rollback procedures. These let you react quickly if bad images slip through or payments fail. If something breaks, first check logs and storage health, then reprocess affected assets. That troubleshooting step prevents repeated outages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.